I am Navneil and I will walk you through evolv Test Accelerator. This is the dashboard screen where, based on the date range we select, we get to see the execution stats. The execution details are represented in tabular format on the right hand side, and the same is depicted graphically on the left hand side. The next tab is features. A feature is a collection of test cases. If we open a feature, we can see a group of test cases. If we look at one of the test cases, we see how a test case looks like in Test Accelerator. It's written in natural language, easy to understand, maintain, and scale. Test definition controls the test execution. The test cases which we mark as active, only those will be taken for execution. In the test data, we have file template, which are parameterized XML files, CSV files, and Excel files, which are used by test cases during execution. Datasheet contains dynamic and static values which could be used as part of input or expected data. To have a test execution, we need to go to Test Definition tab and we have to select the application for which we want to have the execution. Then we need to select the feature for which we want to execute the test cases. And then we need to click on the execute button. We need to select the track, which is the environment against which we want to run the test cases, and then the browser, which will be used for doing the execution. And then we need to click on the continue button. So here, once the execution starts, we can see the status as running, and we have got two progress bars. The first progress bar displays the execution status or the execution progress for the entire test suite. And the second bar over here, this displays the execution progress for each of the test cases. And along with that, the step that is being executed is displayed here. So with this, we get the real-time information for the test execution. We will be executing two test cases here. The first test case will be creating an order. We'll do some validations and verifications on that order. And the same order ID will be passed to the second test case, where it will be used to do the bulk plan. As the execution completes, we see the status as completed and we get the option to download the test report. When we see the report is downloaded, we can see what all went through during the test case execution. The first tab displays the high level stats, and when we get into the test case level details, we see each of the step is logged in very much detailed manner. The different dynamic values that got generated as a part of execution, like the order release ID, transmission ID, all of those are logged over here. And wherever we wanted to attach the screen grabs, those have been attached over here in the test steps. So with this, in a very easy and user-friendly manner, we are able to execute the test cases using the application Test Accelerator. Thank you.